Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So far, we have been creating AI voice automations with only one AI voice. And so far, whatever communication has been happening with somebody has been happening with just one AI voice. Today, I'm going to tell you something really interesting inside Vapi, which is called Vapi Squads. And with Vapi Squads, you can actually make a team of your AI agents like Avengers, which can pass the call of the user depending upon what they are interested in. And before I show you how that happens, let's see a demo of what we are going to learn today.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Madison. Who am I talking to?
Hey Madison, my name is Rish.
Nice to meet you, Rish. What are you interested in today? Are you, looking, to buy a property or sell one?
I want to sell my property.
Let me quickly transfer your call to our selling expert.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Johnny. I'm a property selling expert. Who am I talking to?
My name is Rish.
Nice to meet you. Resh, could you tell me a bit about the property you're interested in selling?
I actually want to buy one, I'm sorry.
Let me transfer you to Adam, our buying expert.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Adam. I'm a property buying expert. Who am I talking to?
Alright, so to start with, we have to come to our Vapi dashboard. So you log into your Vapi account and you come here. And this is the section that we are going to discuss today. And I'm going to teach you how to create a team of AI assistants, or in other words, what it's called inside Vapi is squads. So squads is a workflow tool that you use to connect multiple assistants into one flow. They can be fully customized and utilize existing tools, prompts, settings, or can have unique overrides. It's okay if you did not understand every single word of this, because that's exactly what we are going to get through in this video today. Okay, so the first thing before setting up the squads is to create those assistants individually. So let's imagine today I'm going to create a squad of a real estate agency. Okay, let's call it YouTube real estate agency just for fun. So we go to assistants and we create a new assistant and we call it main customer support. Okay, and we start with a blank template. Okay, we create an assistant and then this is a blank slate which we have to fill to make our squad. And I'm doing this blank because I want you to learn every single thing and not depend on any templates. All right, so let's go with every setting one by one. So this will always be the agent that would be on the call for the first time. Doesn't matter if it's an inbound call or an outbound call, but this agent is going to pick up the call or would be the first one to speak. So let's give this guy or girl a personality. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and here I'm going to give it a system prompt and I'm going to go ahead with very simple prompt. I'm not going to go into deep detail because system prompt is a chapter of its own and that we can discuss in some other video, but for this one let's concentrate on making a working squad. Okay, so for system prompt I'll add this simple prompt to this agent. Okay, so I have typed, you are a real estate agent, and you start with greeting the caller and asking their name. And then you ask what they are interested in. If they're interested in buying a property, transfer the call to agent 1. And if they're interested in selling the property, transfer the call to agent 2. Agent 1 and 2 are yet to be made. So this is just preparing for the actual squad that we are going to have. Okay, now we'll just do all the settings that we have to do for our whole squad. So we choose the provider as OpenAI. We'll choose GPT-4o Mini and everything is fine. Let's go to transcriber, Deepgram, Ian, Nova 2, everything is fine. Voice. So for voice, let's publish this or let's save it and let's go to voice library and then figure out which voice we have to select for our default agent. Okay, so we go to, let's say we choose a female voice and we choose an American accent, and let's say
Love is a serious mental disease. God has given you one face, and you make yourself. We are all something, but none of us are everything.
let's choose
We are all something.
this one. Okay, so we copy the ID, so we copy the ID and we go back to assistants and we choose this one and we go to voice and we select add voice ID manually. Click this and we paste our voice ID and our voice is selected. Okay, model, we will choose Turbo 2.5, or let's say if we choose V2, what happens? It's the same. 2.5 is also the same. So we'll choose 2.5, and additionally we don't need any background sound. We need some filler injection because it should sound natural, and filler injections basically is usually how we humans speak. It's not perfect. We use filler words like sometimes, and if we choose this, it will sound more natural, which is exactly what we want. Okay, stability, clarity, style, everything is fine. Just leave it as it is. We go to functions. We don't have to use any functions right now because this is a demo of Vapi squads, and we go advanced. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Analysis is all fine. Okay, so this right now is our main customer support. Okay, now we'll copy this or duplicate this and we'll rename it as agent 1. Okay, so now this agent is somebody who is buying the property. Okay, so let's say we give it a greeting. My name is Alina. I'm a property buying expert. Okay, so now we change the system prompt to you are a them about the okay, and if they ask for and do this after that. So this one is fine. If they are interested in selling a property, transfer to agent number 2, which we will make just after this. But if they want to speak to customer support, transfer the call to main customer support. Okay, now everything is fine. We just have to change the voice because everyone should not be sounding the same. So let's choose any random voice from here and let's choose Adam. Okay, and now since he's Adam, we have to change the name here. So my name is Adam. Okay, everything else is fine. Just click publish, and now we duplicate this and we create agent number 2. Okay, so we'll create agent number 2. Let's first select voice in this so that we don't have to change again and again. So let's say we go to American accent and we go to Johnny. Okay, so we choose Johnny. We go here. My name is Johnny and I am a property selling expert. Okay, so I change it to selling, and I change this to, if they're interested in buying a property, transfer the call to agent 1. If they want to speak to customer support, then transfer the call to customer support. This is fine. Okay, so everything else is fine. We click publish, and let me just check quickly if everything else is fine. Okay, so one more thing, this I hadn't enabled this here, so let's enable this. Click publish. Do the same for agent 1. Go to voice, filter injections, publish. Okay, now we have our main customer support as agent, like the main agent. Agent 1 is the sub agent, and agent 2 is another sub agent under the main customer support. Okay, and to do all of this mapping, we have to go to squads, and we have to create a new squad, and it will ask you to enter the details of the new first member. Okay, so we select the first as main customer support, we create a squad, and this is the main squad member of our squad. Okay, now we have to create new one, so we go here and we select agent 1 like that, and then we select another agent 2 like that. Okay, now we have to do the mappings. Okay, so customer support can transfer to agent 1, right? Customer support can also transfer to agent 2. Okay, agent 1 can transfer to customer support, and agent 2 can also transfer to customer support. Okay, now very important, this is not yet done. We have to click these 3 dots and then define what kind of settings we have to do when the call is being transferred. Okay, so destination settings is agent 1. Okay, so the message that the main customer support will say while transferring to agent 1, that will come here. Okay, so let's keep it like that. Let me quickly transfer your call to our selling expert. Okay, description is fine. This is for you, this is not for the Vapi automation. So if you want to put anything here, so just so you remember it later, do that, otherwise it's fine. Okay, agent 2 is agent 1 was selling expert. Let me just quickly verify this. Agent 1 is buying expert, agent 2 is selling expert. Okay, so agent 1 is buying expert, that's an error. Okay, and copy this, and agent 2 is selling expert. Okay, we save it, and here we go to model settings and we change the model to 4.0 mini. Okay, first message would be so we copy what we had done for this assistant from here, main customer support. Let's call her, what's the voice, Madison. Okay, all right, so let's keep it like this. Let's copy this, and we also copy this. We go back to squads and we go here and model settings for mini. First message should be this, and system prompt should be this. Okay, we don't have any knowledge base, so that's fine. Voice setting is, we have to choose it again. I think there is some Madison. Okay, let's keep it 2.5. Let's save. Okay, and let's go to agent 1 again, and let's copy this. Let's copy this. What was the voice? Adam 11 Labs. Okay, go back to squads, agent 1, model settings, cluster 4 mini, system prompt is this, first message is this, and we click save, and we click 11 labs, and we have Adam here, and select 2.5, click save. We go to assistants again, agent 2, this is Johnny, copy this, we go back to squads, agent 2, model settings, 4 mini, Johnny comes here, and we click save, voice, we choose 11 labs, and Johnny is here, and we select 2.5, and we click save. And one thing I think I forgot to tell you is we have to do the same setting for every agent as well, like we did here. So we did these settings for our main customer support, but we did not do this for our agent 1 and agent 2. Let's quickly do that. We go to agent 1, and for main customer support, let's say that let me get you back to our main customer support, and agent 2, let me take you to our selling expert. Okay, let's copy this because this will come handy in just a second. We go to agent 2, we again go here, and we go to main customer support, and this is fine. Agent 1, let me transfer you to Adam, our buying expert. Okay, let me transfer. Okay, let's save this. Fine, save, and we close, and then we test.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Madison. Who am I talking to?
Hey Madison, my name is Rish.
Nice to meet you, Rish. What are you interested in today? Are you looking to buy a property or sell one?
I want to sell my property.
Let me quickly transfer your call to our selling expert.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Johnny. I'm a property selling expert. Who am I talking to?
My name is Rish.
Nice to meet you. Resh, could you tell me a bit about the property you're interested in selling?
I actually want to buy one, I'm sorry.
Let me transfer you to Adam, our buying expert.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Adam. I'm a property buying expert. Who am I talking to?
Hey Adam, I'm Rish.
Hi. Nice to meet you, Resh. What type of property are you interested in buying?
I'm looking for a condo.
Let me get you back to our main customer support.
Hello, welcome to YouTube Real Estate Agency. My name is Madison. Who am I talking to?
So you see, Adam did not have a clue when I told him what exactly I wanted to buy, because I did not specify what to do next, because it was a very simple way in which I wanted to show you how the squad swapping works and how you can transfer your calls depending upon the context and what exactly your user wants. Now imagine you're deploying this for a huge store which deals in electronics, and there are various segments of electronics. One segment is for laptops, one segment is for washing machines, one segment is for something else, and you can have a specific agent that is trained for that particular category only. And how do you do that? Let's say this agent is trained only for the computers and laptops. So you go here and you will select on model settings, you will select knowledge base, okay? And you will select the whole file or the database that you have, which has all the information only about that specific sections. In this case, let's say a laptop section or like a computer section in which this model is trained. And when any customer asks a question about that specific device, it will automatically get transferred to Adam because he's an expert in that, right? And maybe Johnny can be trained on a separate section which is of electronic like home appliances and such, right? So you can add that knowledge base only on this squad member, and then this will act as an expert for that particular section, right? And your main customer facing support will be trained in another way. So you can have a different prompt for the main customer facing expert, or you can link your main customer facing support agent to your CRM so that if somebody calls and that number is already in your database, you can greet them directly by their name, right? Imagine the customer delight if on the first call, the AI agent, which speaks like a human, also knows their name, greets them by their name, and knows all their history and all their orders, and it can quickly transfer the call to the correct agent who can solve the customer's query within minutes. And this is why I feel is the value of AI agents, because a lot of people say that they want to talk to a human on the phone. No, they don't. They want to get their problem solved as quickly as possible. And if an AI agent sounding like a human who's excited to help them and filled with empathy can do that, then people would go for it, right? So Squad is a very powerful tool if designed and deployed for yourself, your business, or for somebody whom you're deploying it for. It can take the work of a whole team of people who can be deployed to do something else with their time and human efforts. And just imagine you can have a squad of, let's say, 6 AI agents, right? And if you're paying one person at least 50K a year, your business is saving 300K in one go. That's a literal saving if you're deploying this AI support instead of 6 people physically in your company. And those 6 people can be upskilled and can be used in something in which human talent is more required, right? Because human talent is not for sitting and replying to the same things again and again. That's what AI is for. And that also brings to a very important question, that would AI eat jobs? In a way, yes, but AI would also encourage people to upskill and do more things and do things which are more valuable than AI. And if you look from the perspective of businesses, if a business can cut down costs while maintaining or even elevating customer support and customer satisfaction, why would they not do it, right? So that is inevitable. And if you are in this area, this is your golden chance to perfect all of this and become an expert and deploy it for a lot of people and make a business out of it. Talking about which, TalkFlow AI is my brand which deals in exactly that. We deploy pre-built agents with personalities for different businesses, be it restaurants, be it real estate, be it anything else. We have everything already made for you, done for you, waiting to be deployed. So if you are a business seeing this and you want a similar kind of thing for customer support, for outbound calling, or anything that revolves around calling people, have a look at talkflowai.com.